Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome back. I'm your host Qasim and you're watching our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're going to talk about another awesome project. It's called MemeX Swap. So it's a very amazing project inspired by BRC20. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer: this is not investment advice. I'm not your financial advisor, so make sure to do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. So guys, here you can check it out. I'm here on the website homepage. First of all, you can see multi-chain DEX transaction is mining. It's awesome. MEXC meme coin one-stop Web3 platform. You can check out their home trade launch page. You can also check out their launch feed. AI MEMX sport, and you can also conduct the sport easily, and you can also do trade on the home page. So let's talk about the features. You can check out their white paper. Start trading by clicking on the start trading. MEMX features. MEMX Swap is an unstoppable expansion. AI MEMX shaping the future of meme coin decentralized trading. Strong transparency, high security, and do you know more, learn more. So super meme eco one-stop platform for meme trade, earn, win, launch feed. AI MEXC 21 million registered coins, so it's a very huge. Earn features, transaction mining, trade, earn and own meme coin. Liquidity is a key to how meme swap exchange works. It provide a liquidity pool to MEMX swap and earn. Fees is MEMX swap makes earning coin fun. So trading reward 10% trading rebate to be earn MEMX while trading your favorite token on AI MEMX Swap, and you can also click on the start trading and start your trading journey. Unlock the full potential of meme coin with MEMX Swap and AI meme game launch with NFTs. So trade unique NFTs on MEMX Swap. Meme coin will be the largest community of the cryptocurrency. You can check out their latest reviews and everything: ecosystem swap, liquidity, trading reward, transaction mining, and their launch speed. AI MEMX. You can also contact the email and also follow on Twitter, and you can also follow the Telegram. So you can check out their Twitter, Telegram. I already told about it. So let's talk on the white paper. First of all, you can see MEMX Swap, meme coin, multi-chain DEX and inspiration for the forced trading mining BSC20 mint MEMX, and you can check out the first multi-chain DEX based on meme coin. Jointly launched several well-known serious centralized exchange for AI MEMX and currency circuit traffic exchange. A violation of valuation of the Pancake Swap, Uniswap, Sushi Swap, and the $1 billion annual revenue, $100 of million at the largest group of the crypto meme coin. Our user group response by the Doge, Sheep, Peep, etc. expressed of the million of people. MEMX Swap integrating AI MEMX, aiming to create a meme coin. Official website, Twitter, white paper. You can check out their trade, earn and win. So instantly swap cryptocurrency, no registration account needed. The people choice, multi-chain DEX, their decentralizations, earn, whitelisting, win, and AI MEMX. So you can check out their Ethereum, get started on Ethereum. You can see on Ethereum, and get started on BSC, get started on Polygon, and you can check out simply click on Polygon, and you can also check it out. So product governance and token economics. First of all, you can see their MEMX token contract, MEMX BSC chain, total amount 10 billion, so it's a very huge. IDO 50% fair launch or no lockup, transaction mining 30%, developer 10%, market operation 10%, slippage 0, and you can check out that token economics easily. So you can also see the BSC scan balance, their price, and that latest transaction and everything right here. You can check it out easily. You can check out their IDO. Simply click on IDO. You will get the information about the IDO and their temporary plan, benefit, require advantage, and MEMX Swap VIP NFTs. You can check out MEMX VIP and IDO stage. Complete the recommendation of 10 valid IDO major contributors. MEMX community market by technology. Other sale 2% slippage, and you can check out their MEMX inspirations. Simply click on MEMX BSC channel, and you can check out there all the information about it and MEMX Rune. So the main point of this video is BSC chain Rune. What is Rune? Basically, let's clarify what Rune is. Inspired by BRC20, Rune is a new token protocol built on top of ERC 1155, known as the Alternatively Smart Inspirations. It hybrid of inspiration smart contract token like BRC20 are relatively easy to deploy. All the that is required by deploy coin is a supply a limit per coin and a token symbol. No code needed to be written by you. The multi-chain is standard ERC20 1150 upon which are run as the BSC chain based. Any number of fungible token, non-fungible token kinds can be responded of the using ERC20. Every token ID may represent adjustable tokens, and you can check out multi-token standard. Each token platform may have a one supply, metadata, and other characteristics. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. So you can also check out the RON is a new token protocol. I already told about it. There you can check out their MEMX RON token issuance 1.5 billion. Total runes are containing the 10,000 token, and you can check out the exchange and everything right here. You can check out their contract and everything right here. You can check out their roadmap. You can see their roadmap, phase 3, phase 4, and you can check out research, market, start designing product plan, complete IDO, private placement, start X research, and 2024 IQ1, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, connect with other community. You can check out all the phases. You can also click and contact us, and you can also check the Twitter account. Simply click on MEMX Swap, simply go to Twitter and follow it. You can check out their AI MEMX, and you'll be getting a MEMX airdrop. You can check out how to participate in the MEMX airdrop. So let's go back on the official white paper page. You can check, open the link below and complete task as are required to get 550 MEX. Simply go to this forum and fill it. Open the link below the required to get 500 MEX first airdrop, and simply go to forum and fill this form easily. So you can check out IDEX EX NFTs. So you can check out their BSC MEMX swap. I already told about it. So this is the total supply. This is the RON. You can check it out. You need to connect your wallet. You can check out deploy. Please enter the tick RON. Then enter total supply, limit per minute. Then select the mining. Select a fee token BNB MEMX. Simply click on MEMX. Then deploy the MEMX token, and you will be easily the MEMX token by using the wallet, and you will be get all the information about the your transaction, your RON, your rotor, and invite. Simply click on invite, and you can also invite it. So my link, simply click on my link option and simply copy this link, share with your friends, and you'll be get invitation. So I hope you understand everything. So simply click on trade option. Let's go on the trade option. Simply go to click on the trade option. Simply click on the start trading. So let's see what's going on. So guys, first of all, you need to connect your wallet. As I already told about it English, you can check out your wallet. Simply click on this and your recent transaction whitelist and disconnect it. So first of all, click on total trading, liquidity, mining record, and you will be getting your all the token trading mining records easily. So if you want to slippage 20%, if you want to swap it, simply enter your BNB and you will be get the like something. So it's a very huge. So guys, I want to tell you one more thing. At this moment, if you buy this token but at your risk, you will be get good profit in the future, because it's a early stage from the investment, and this token will be give you 10x to 20x profit easily. So I hope you understand, but invest always at your research risk, and do your research first, then make investment. I'm not responsible in profit and losses. I already told about it. Inspiration market, deploy transaction, rune market deploy. Simply click on deploy. You can check out the deploy. If you want to check out the deploy, you can check out as I already told about the deploy option. You need to just click on RON token and everything you will be get about it. Home market, simply click on market option and you can see the market, all the information provided here, meme token, their token sale and everything provide here. So guys, I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. So let's check out the AI meme. Simply click on AI meme and you will get information about the AI meme, the app, MEMX app, AI meme. So let's see. So guys, I think I missed the Twitter account, so let's open the Twitter account. So guys, you check your Twitter account by at yourself. Simply click on MetaMask. You need to then click on balance and not now, and simply click on not now. You will get the balance in staking, and if you want to redeem, then click on join option. You will be also join. Click here to invitation, invite friends. You'll invite to your friends, then click on redeem and you will be whitelist NFTs. So I hope you understand everything about this project. Invest always at your own risk. This is my honest opinion, and I provide in video. So I hope you understand everything. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.